Okay guys, so let's look at this question. B3, figure B3.1 below is a diagram showing a load being moved using a wheelbarrow. So the total mass of the wheelbarrow and the load is 80 kg. Take G to be 10 Newton per kg. Okay, A, calculate the weight of the wheelbarrow and the load. So we are starting with this one. Listen, calculate the weight of the wheelbarrow and the load, and on top there they have told us that the total mass of the wheelbarrow and the load is 80 kg. So we're going to use this formula. It says weight is equals to mg. Okay, m is the mass, 80 multiplied by 10 is acceleration due to gravity, okay, or rather gravity. So when you multiply that, you're going to have 800 newtons. So this is the weight of the wheelbarrow and the load. Okay, let's go to Roman numeral 2. Okay, calculate the force F required to lift the wheelbarrow. So this is the force that they want you to calculate. So we are going to use the principle of moment. What does it state? It states that moment on anti-clockwise is equal to moment clockwise. Sorry, this is 2. So F1, moment this side, is equals to moment on the other side. Okay, so how are we going to do that? We are going to first of all recognize the pivot here, and then we're going to say the distance from here to there. Okay, first let's put the load that is going downward here, the weight of the load and the wheelbarrow, which is W. We have found it. It is 800 newtons. So we are going to put the 800 newtons there, multiplied by the distance, which is from here to there, which is 0.5, equals F2. F2 is the force that we are looking for, so we are going to leave it like that, multiplied by the distance. The distance is going to move from here to there, because this is the distance that this man is, the distance for this force that is acting on this side. It's coming from the pivot here up to there. So the distance, we're going to cover the whole of this distance, which is going to be 1.5 plus 0.5. It's going to be 2 meters. Okay, so this is 1.5, this is 0.5, so we're adding these two. Okay, so after doing that, we're going to multiply 800 by 0.5. It's going to give us 400 newtons, equals, okay, 2 F2. So here we're going to divide 2, here we're going to divide 2, so that 2 and 2 cancels one another. So F2 is going to be 200 newtons. That is the force. Let's move on. If you have any question, please you can write it down, and then I'll be able to respond. Okay, so B. Okay, state whether force F would increase or reduce when the handles of the wheelbarrow are made longer. So we're going to state if the force, this one, is going to increase or reduce if the handles, this is the handle for the wheelbarrow, is made longer. So what is going to happen? So we're going to say the force would or will reduce. Okay, the force will reduce. So those are the answers, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.